together to create this kind of a collaborative effort. The Optometry Association of Tamil Nadu, Nanbargal,
Nanbargal.
Yeah. Then Dr. GK company, and of course the Evergreen Mahalingam, the Twin Academy, facilitator for everything. All three of you have come together to launch a program like this is unique. And especially during the times we are in now, the corona hitting all of us, the pandemic where we are not able to meet anybody, you have created such a wonderful virtual platform to impart knowledge. This is a very great thing which you have done. And within a short time, you can see the success. And I'm sure this course is going to gain grounds and be more useful. So it's a very laudable objective by GKM to impart knowledge. And the same objective SN had of imparting knowledge, seeing patient, that is the patient care, and then doing whatever research you can. The three pillars of giving back to the society, the same thing you have followed in setting up your company, and then with the help of the other collaborators, you are trying to achieve the other goals. It's really good, very nice. So for most of you know about GKM, let me just tell you his uniqueness. So he basically is a physician who had a lot of interest in genetics, and then he had a lot of collaborative projects in the field of ophthalmology, RP, cataract, retinoblastoma, with the stalwarts like Michael Denton, Brenda Gale, and others. In fact, I was one of the collaborators for the cataract project. If you remember, Kumar? Yeah, in SN we were doing cataract,
yes,
right?
Yes, yes.
Genetic background. So I don't know at what stage we are there. Maybe you can just tell me later on what happened to that project, that cataract project. So with this passion for his education, passion for research, there's no wonder that he was able to put all this together to form this collaborative program. Hats off to GK for this. And KK, what do I say about KK? KK was my student. I still remember the interview he had when we selected him. I don't know whether KK remember that, but I remember me and Surendran, Dr. Surendran remember how we selected KK. Very unassuming, very down to earth, but hardworking. You can just miss him to be any other person in the crowd, but with his hard work, he has created a name for himself. And I'm sure that he will go far, KK. And Rizwan, of course, is a stalwart in SN, Low Vision 8. You're going to do wonders in West Indies. West Indies people are not going to leave you soon. So we wish that you come back to India.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think coming to the certification course as such, you all know that genetics is one area where not many people are well aware of it. Even in our own medical curriculum, genetics forms a very, very, very small part. We just go through, brush it, and then refer it to somebody like GKM. At that time, I didn't know anybody like GKM. Now, anything about GKM means, anything about genetics means GKM. So he is bringing genetics in the forefront. And we all know that genetics definitely plays a very, very important part, not a neglected field, especially to further our knowledge, to reduce the number of diseases which we know. For the problems of, you see, when you see a patient of RP, you can understand how these patients go through. With genetic counseling, and maybe we don't know we may be able to get a chip or something like that to treat RP and RBG. It's all a devastating disorder. So for these disorders, there's a silver lining to all this. The research work what genetics has done to the field is just enormous. And you people are going to play a very, very important role in counseling, identifying the problem, correctly telling the parents what they are supposed to do, and pointing them to the right person to go for treatment. Okay, so the awareness created is going to be enormous. You won't really realize it, but definitely it is going to impact a lot of people because of your timely intervention. So with the you had this course for 12 weeks, no? 3 months, 12 weeks. In 12 weeks, you have covered the entire genetics, and whatever knowledge you have gained in your optometry program, you are going to put it through. It's very nice. Huh? So I'm sure that the next, with this experience gain, you're going to have more faculty amongst yourself, and you're going to create more students who wish to learn about the genetics, and I'm sure this is going to go far. So I remember the problems which we all faced when we started the optometry school. I just want to highlight. It's a nice, maybe it's a coincidence when I heard that TSS was responsible for was inaugurated this program, right? So when we started the optometry program, me and Surendran were directly involved, and we in fact we spent a semester for 4 months to learn about optometry because optometry was new to us also. So we spent almost one semester in Berkeley undergoing training in field of optometry. Like I did a course in visual optics, I did a course in contact lens, low vision aid. Likewise, TSS also did the same. And we brought back that knowledge so that the students here can get it. So I'm sure something like this on similar lines, some of you can do with the collaborative work, what GKM and what GKM through his contacts, you can develop some network and then gain some experience and come back and then serve our own people. Okay, the experience gain will not go waste. I'm sure about that. And the pandemic has also taught us a lot. We have not. It is not really necessary that one has to meet and then impart knowledge. Now, like this virtual platform, you're all getting knowledge, and you're having even evaluation done by a virtual platform. That is just amazing. You could never think about this. And I'm very happy that KK himself, who being an educator, has taken this course, and then he is the top ranker. So congratulations to KK. I think you have set a benchmark for this now. The ESO has set a benchmark for optometry education. So KK has set a benchmark for this kind of course. So congratulations KK, and congratulations to the other participants also who, irrespective of the age is no bar for learning. So we have come forward to learn. Ultimately, the winner is going to be the patient. And once again, I would like to congratulate the 3 collaborators, Dr. GKM, this company, the Optometry Association of Tamil Nadu, Nanbargal, and putting everything together, Dr. Mahalingam, Mr. Mahalingam. We have created this nice teamwork to put up a good show. I wish tremendous success in future, and I congratulate the participants who have successfully completed this 12 weeks program. So you will be able to refer the patient at timely at the right time, instead of just procrastinating and then doing nothing, just telling the patient that nothing can be done. Because for most of these problems, we don't have an answer. So once you know this background, you'll be able to do this much better. So thank you again for asking me to participate in this program. I wish everybody very happy and very happy future, and may you all prosper. Thank you very much, Dr. Kumar and KK and Rizwana.
Thank you, Dr. Ravi Shankar, for your inspiring speech. It motivates us to learn better and be a better person and contribute something significant to the society. So we will now begin the distribution of these certificates. So Dr. Kumar, will we take a group photo before or after the distribution of the certificates?
I think we take, I suppose everybody is there, no?
Yes, I think so, Doctor.
Okay, so can everyone come on video so that we can take a screenshot? Please come on video, everybody. Suvitna, you take the shot. So Hema Mani, Mahalingam have to come on video. I think we have more than one screen, no, Suvitna?
I'm able to see only one screen with videos, Doctor.
Yeah, so that is actually, the number was varying from 23 to 26. But then we have only about 20 or so on the screen. Okay, and I don't know, even I couldn't get more than one screen at a time. Preeta alone has to come on video, and Shakuntala must come on a better lighting. So, Mahalingam? Okay. Kiki, you can just see if everything is fine, and then you can tell Suvitna to click, and she will click.
Dr. Kumar, I'm able to see only 9 participants with videos in my screen.
Only 9?
Yes, Doctor.
I can see 20. So all of us can do a clicking job of the screen along with the chief guest. So I'll just number it as 1, 2, 3, and when I say 3, we can all have a click. And see. So 1. Yeah. I think, Madam appearing. Sorry. Yes. Yes. Everybody is fine now. Okay. So I'm going to do a click and capture, and all of you can do as well. We'll take another one. Can wait. So another one. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So thank you. Sukitna, you can continue. I'll post both the photographs in the Google Meet itself, so you can access it.
Okay, now we'll begin the distribution of these certificates. So I request the faculty members and the participant who is going to receive the certificate to turn on their videos. And other participants can turn off your video and you can turn it on when your turn comes. So Ms. Preeta will be receiving the certificate first.
Sir, the chief guest, sir, here, sir, you can just congratulate the candidate. You can read that You can read that certificate, Sugitna, and
Yeah.
yeah.
This is to certify that Ms. Preeta Ramprasad has completed a certificate course in medical genetics and genetic counseling for optometrists satisfactorily. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ATM team. Thanks, everybody.
The next participant is Miss Arpita Paul.
Yeah, this is to certify that Ms. Aprita Paul has completed her certificate course in medical genetics and genetic counseling for optometry satisfactorily. Congratulations, Ms. Aprita.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
The next participant is Mr. Mariappan AC.
This is to certify that Mr. Mariappan AC has completed his certificate course in medical genetics and genetic counseling for optometrists satisfactorily. Congratulations.
Next participant is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi.
This is to certify that Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi has completed a certificate course in medical genetics and genetic counseling for optometry satisfactorily. Congratulations, Dr. Vijayalakshmi.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you can go to the next, no?
I think Sugirna is having some issue.
Okay, so we have to wait at this point. There's no backup that we have.
Yeah.
Okay, so
She's gone offline.
Amma
No,
said
she's there.
she has lost the connectivity
Connection.
feed. Yeah, that I think she's trying to rejoin.
She's rejoining.
We have to wait actually. She never has this problem, so we didn't properly
Anticipate.
I'm so sorry. I have network issues and sorry.
Yeah, you can continue, Sugitna, and then you can read the certificate. And,
Okay, doctor.
and Chief Guest can congratulate the candidate.
Okay. So the next participant is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi. This is to certify that Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi has completed her certificate course in medical genetics and genetic counseling for optometry satisfactorily.
Thank you.
Congratulations,
Thanks a lot.
Dr. Vijayalakshmi, once again.
Yeah, thank you so much.
The next participant is Dr. Krishna Kumar. This is to certify that Dr. Krishna Kumar has completed his certificate course in medical genetics and genetic counseling for optometrists satisfactorily.
Congratulations, Dr. Krishna Kumar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
The next participant is Dr. Devi. This is to certify that Dr. Devi has completed her certificate course in medical genetics and genetic counseling for optometrists satisfactorily.
Congratulations, Dr. Devi. You're muted.
Yeah, candidates, please make sure that you're not.
Thank you, sir. Sorry, sir. Thank you, sir.
The next participant is Ms. Hema Malini Ramajayam. This is to certify that Ms. Hema Malini Ramajayam has completed her certificate course in medical genetics and genetic counseling for optometrists satisfactorily.
Congratulations, Hema Malini.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice. Good.
The next participant is Mr. Gopinath. This is to certify that Mr. Gopinath M has completed his certificate course in medical genetics and genetic counseling for optometrists satisfactorily.
Congratulations, Mr. Gopinath.
Thank you.
The next participant is Ms. Neelagandan. This is to certify that Mr. Neelagandan M has completed his certificate course in medical genetics and genetic counseling for optometrists satisfactorily.
Congratulations, Mr. Neelakandan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
The next participant is Ms. Lata Balaji. This is to certify that Ms. Lata Balaji has completed her certificate course in medical genetics and genetic counseling for optometrists satisfactorily.
Congratulations, Ms. Lata Balaji.
The next participant is Ms. Pungode Sendul Kumar. This is to certify that Ms. Pungode Sendul Kumar has completed her certificate course in medical genetics and genetic.
Congratulations, Pungode.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much. Thank you all.
And the final participant is Ms. Janak Paudal. This is to certify that Mr. Janak Paudal has completed his certificate course in medical genetics and genetic counseling for optometrists satisfactorily.
Congratulations, Mr. Janak.
जनक नेटवर्क इशू जनक
Janak is on mute actually. He's there. He's on mute.
Sorry, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
So Janak is actually right now in Bangalore.
Where?
In Bangalore. Janak, you go.
Okay.
Sir, currently I'm in Nepal right now, sir. I'm from Nepal.
Nepal,
I did my bachelor in optometry from Bangalore, Vittalai Hospital. Nepal, yeah.
Good.
So we have international students.
So how many from Chennai? Among the 12?
Janak, you have to go on mute.
Sorry.
Sugitna, you have to tell number of candidates.
So the total number of candidates are 12 in number.
So out of that, Arpita is from Calcutta. And Janak is from Nepal.
Okay.
I think others are in Tamil Nadu or Chennai.
Gopi is from Manipal.
Gopi.
Yeah. I'm not from Calcutta. Sorry to interrupt. I'm from Andaman and Nicobar Islands, sir.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, I thought you were from Calcutta. Excuse me.
So across the seas, the course has gone across the seas.
Yes, along the neighborhood, South Asian neighborhood.
Yeah.
Sir, and the faculty, one of the faculty is sitting in Hyderabad, sir. That is myself.
Yes, sorry, actually, from Andhra Pradesh, another state.
Uttara, you are in Hyderabad, huh?
Yes, sir. The last time I met you, I was in Pune. Now I am in Hyderabad, sir.
Okay. You are LVP?
No, sir. I am with MyGeneDx.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Sorry.
You
are working in a virtual platform now.
Yes, sir. I think for the past 6 years now, 7 years now.
Okay.
Her husband is working in Hyderabad, sir. Balaji.
Okay.
Yeah. Sugitna, you can continue.
So now some of the participants will be giving their feedbacks regarding their course. So we'll start with Dr. Vijayalakshmi. Ms. Vijayalakshmi, a few words about the course.
Yeah, Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Ravi Shankar, my gurus, respected gurus, Kumara Manikaved sir, Uttara ma'am, Sugitna ma'am, and actually KK sir is also my guru. Because of KK sir only I joined the course. He only recommended me. I requested to him, can I join? I'm 61 years old. Can I join the course? Then he said, no, why not? I'll put in a word to sir and find out whether we'll be able to do it. And he said, you can join. I'm so happy about it. And also, Ismana is a very good friend of mine. And Mr. Mahalingam is known to me now for many days now. And my connection with Shankar Netralaya dates back to 1992. My son was in Clark School, and
it's a school for the deaf and deafblind. So I used to bring children the ESO for exam refraction and all that. So I know Dr. Vaitulingam, and that's why my connection started. And then I know Sir Krishna Kumar sir, and through him only we could do so much of refraction in the for persons with disabilities and Name to card. Actually, about the course, I'm really happy that I mean, I could really learn the basics of medical genetics and genetic counseling because it was really needed, and I know that when I work with children with disabilities, when they want to have the second child, they used to ask me, and I was not aware how to work out with that. How to draw a pedigree and find out whether they will get another child with the same disorder. So I'm so thankful to sir and his team for really doing it so wonderfully well. The syllabus was well covered, and it was very useful for me. And for I think it's for all the participants. The way they conducted the course, I'm so much great. And great appreciation for the way the course was conducted, and also the exams were conducted. As Dr. Shankar said, as medical people, we learn only very little genetics, but the basics were now clear by sir and his colleagues. And I came to know of my other colleagues, and actually, as Dr. Ravi Shankar said, finally our aim is to serve the person in the society and with a passion. I think this group, of this Mala Manikavel sir, then KK sir, Rizwana, and sir's team, Uttara, and also Sugitala, and this Twin Tech Academy, Mahalingam sir, they're all doing very good job, and they are also very passionate about the patients. So I want to go ahead with the research in this field because I have seen, many of the disorders, even the 21 disabilities, had a genetic background. So, Honorable Chief Guest, sir, I'm so happy that I received the certificates from you, and it was a well-conducted valedictory function. I'm so thankful to the whole team, and I wish, the course should continue for a long time, and I think I will also refer participants for the course, and you will get more people next batch, sir. And thank you so much for educating me in mental genetics. Thank you so much.
Let me actually add something to Professor Vijayalakshmi's points. Firstly, I would say that KK got the #1 status for the exam, but Madam will get it for being a student. Being such a senior person, she was so sincere and committed, and I should tell the chief guest that even during her mother's ceremonial rites that she conducted in Kerala, she actually connected with us and attended the class. So that was the commitment Professor Vijayalakshmi had, which was really some kind of a lesson.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Very commendable.
It's a real lesson for others, particularly youngsters, that how dedicated somebody can be when they are really committed to learn something new. And really that amazed me with her. Yeah. Thank you. Sugitana, you can take over.
The next feedback will be given by Ms. Lata Balaji. Ms. Lata Balaji, would you like to say a few words regarding the course?
Yes, first of all, I would like to thank OETN, Twintech, and MyGeneDX for arranging for such a good course. Actually, before joining the course, there was a lot of dilemma because after a long gap, we are getting into something like a course study. And that too, post-COVID, it was very difficult to decide. But one thing I would like to mention that I've been following up Dr. Rizwana's YouTube channel, that is Let the Soul Speak. And 50% of the credit goes to that because that had motivated me to, boldly join a course and then do something. I would thank Dr. GKM for having such a wonderful session, which was very interactive, and it encouraged us to open up and share our thoughts and our doubts, everything. He was very open to any discussion, and even though the session would prolong beyond its time, still he would take his time to explain the doubts and clear the doubts and make us understand the concept and everything. And second, Dr. Uttra. Dr. Uttra was very good at giving us technical information and very good at teaching us all the minute things. And next was Sugitana. Sugitana was all rounder, very patient and very understanding, and who had excellently coordinated between our teachers and the students. So she was very, very patient with all of us. And I also thank my fellow students who had been an excellent batchmates, and they were all very good at supporting each other, and we had a good time. And even though the time would prolong beyond the scheduled session time, but still we had a wonderful time enjoying and learning more and more. End of the day, it was very like we had done something. And thank you to Dr. Kumar and for having such a wonderful session. As I had mentioned in the feedback form, I am looking forward to some practical exposure also, because when we see patients in our private practice, to have just a start to towards the genetic counseling side, there is a slight hesitation because we have not been exposed to actually seeing the patient and this one. So, but the session has given us the confidence, and I've started doing it with my relatives around. So just talking to them and finding out what are the genetic disorder, if at all we have any in our family, and drawing pedigree and all that. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Lata Balaji, for your valuable feedback. I now request Ms. Preeta to say a few words regarding the course.
Good evening, everybody. First of all, my sincere thanks to OATN, MyGen DX team, and TwinTech Academy for offering this course on medical genetics. I, in fact, joined this course with a lot of excitement because this rekindled my interest in genetics when I was a school student. When I was in high school, I wanted to do genetics. But somehow, but although I like optometry, I got into optometry and I couldn't do genetics. So when this course was offered, I readily joined the course. I feel very fortunate to have been taught by the subject experts, Dr. Kumramani Kavel, Dr. Uttra, and Ms. Sugirtana. They were very, very patient in explaining the concepts. They gave us a lot of information on genetics, real life case examples from their own practice. I was always looking forward to all the weekend classes, and I thoroughly enjoyed all the sessions. In fact, what I learned out of this course was how not to be judgmental about a person's disease condition, and how to be open-minded when you are, when you counsel a patient, how to how to draw a pedigree, and how to interpret. All that was very interesting, and more than that, the recent therapy which is available in genetics, the molecular biology behind it, all that was very, very informative. I learned a lot from that. In fact, I also feel very fortunate to have been the first batch student of this course, and being batchmates with Dr. KK, Dr. Vijayalakshmi, Mrs. Lata, Mrs. Pungoday, and many more. I also feel very happy that I scored first in the exam. To comment about the exam, although it was open book, the questions were really, so much effort has gone into creating those questions. And thanks so much to Dr. Uttra and Ms. Sugirtana for that. I understand as an academician how much effort you need to put to prepare MCQ questions. It's very easy to ask essay questions, but MCQ questions are not like that. So thank you so much for making us think during the exam, even though it was an open book. I thoroughly enjoyed the MCQ exam. Yeah, so that's about it. Thank you so much. And I still have to figure out how I have to incorporate this into academics, how I'm going to incorporate this into the curriculum under the purview of the university. Still, I think I'm going to teach ocular diseases better, how to, counsel the patients, low vision patients, and how I can also teach the students how to take a pedigree and understand the condition better, how it is getting transmitted, and so on. Thank you so much for that confidence, Dr. GKM and Dr. Uttara and Ms. Sugirtana. I so look forward to more sessions like this in future. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Preeta, and congratulations for securing the first rank. I now request Ms. Devi to say a few words about the course.
Good afternoon. And thank you, Sugirtana, and pranams to the Honorable Chief Guest and to all my teachers, Dr. KK, my principal, and Dr. GKM, my genetics professor. I mean, I actually, about the course, I thoroughly enjoyed every class. Okay, all these 12 weeks of Sundays are actually well spent for me. I was actually looking forward for the next class. When would be the next class? So I enjoyed the course in every. I mean, it was so simplified for us. The course capsules were planned, well planned, and it was right from the basics till molecular genetics. It was explained very in a simplified manner. And thanks to my teachers, they are very great teachers, Dr. GKM and Dr. Uttara. And thanks to Ms. Sugirtana for coordinating all the course totally. And the case discussions which Sugirtana had planned, and how she thought about the pedigree drawing. And actually, I'm applying it in my practice. Um, Thanks to the whole team that in my low vision as a low vision provider, I have been seeing patients with genetic conditions, and I'm actually trying to develop interest and understanding the disease in a better way, and trying to attempt drawing pedigrees in the worksheets too. Uh, and I actually enjoyed these sessions because it was very interactive, even from the first class, from the introductory class, mainly because I think because of the teachers and my course mates, they actually play a very huge part in, because for the interactive sessions, how they interacted it. I mean, I thoroughly enjoyed because of that. And thanks to the open book test, it was very thought provoking, and it was very interesting. I could see how much effort is put into to the planning of the program and planning of the test. And thank you, team. Thanks to OATN, Twin Tech Academy, and MyGene DX to plan such a program. And I strongly recommend this course for many more. And thank you for the time.
Thank you, Ms. Devi, and congratulations to you too for securing one of the highest scores. I now request Paul to give a few words about the course.
Arpita Paul.
I couldn't hear it. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Respected chief guests, respected higher authorities, higher delegates, and senior lecturers, and my batchmates. I'm really thankful to be part of this event, this course, and I am really privileged to be part of this course. I would really thank, first of all, I would really thank Manikam sir, because he only introduced me to this course, and I read the topic and I was like, wow, because I had studied genetics only in my 11th and 12th biology, and after that there was no connection of genetics. So I was like, this course is an eye opener to me, and I'm a student, so definitely I cannot suddenly implement it. But this course has planted a seed in me for genetics, and definitely I'm gonna work on it and learn more about it. And I have really created interest over this genetics, and I would like to really thank Kumar sir for helping me throughout, and Dr. KK sir, Rizwana ma'am, everybody around who has always motivated me, and everybody's, I would sincerely say, the designation of each and everyone has scared me and also motivated me to reach somewhere where I am aiming for, where I am dreaming for. So I'm really grateful, and this is really motivating to me to be part of this course, because not only from the genetics part, but also I have got inspiration to do something in my life, being an optometrist. So this is really a big eye opener to me, and I have learned so much. I have learned pedigree. I have learned how to read, how to understand case study in genetics, and like how we see from sign and symptoms and try to do tentative diagnosis, whereas genetics gives a really prominent answer and exact answer to exact diagnosis through the genes, and which is really very interesting, and I loved and I have enjoyed the course. I would like to thank everyone. Thank you so much, and I'm really humbled and I'm really privileged to be part of this. Thank you so much.
Let me add a bit on to what Arpita said, is that she was so inspired by the genetics knowledge she gained. She wants to do PhD in optometry-related genetics.
It will be my pleasure, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Arpita. So now I request Dr. Rudra, Academic and Research Director of MyGeneDx, to give a brief overview on our way forward.
Thank you, Sukirtana. First and foremost, I would like to extend my warm greeting to our chief guest, Dr. K. Ravishankar, OATN members, students, and my colleagues. Secondly, congratulations to all students who have graduated today from the certificate course that we had the privilege to conduct for you. And a special congratulatory message to all the top scorers. Before I go about the overview, I would request all the students who have graduated today to link your the e-certificates that we have generated for you to your LinkedIn account, if possible, so that your colleagues will also know about the courses that we conduct, so that it can be a digital spreading of the word. So MyGeneDx, under the guidance of Dr. Kumar, has focused on three aspects right from its inception: patient care, education, and research. As part of patient care, we have been reaching out to patients who require genetic counseling for hereditary disorders and their families. And this we have been able to achieve through genetic counseling and appropriate genetic testing where it is relevant. And despite being just less than a year old, our center has been able to attract genetic professionals and students with interest in pursuing their master's program, the internships, and also PhD. And we have been able to guide them with our collaboration and connections that we have on a national and international level. We are at present looking at the prospect of enrolling a couple of students with Maastricht University in Netherlands. And ever since we started, MyGeneDx has seen a steady inflow of students who are interested in doing the short-term and long-term internships in genetic counseling. So far, we have enrolled about 13 students in our different duration programs. Now, we understand that understanding the implications of genetic changes associated with hereditary diseases has the potential to improve the identification of individuals at risk for health conditions, and also target risk-reducing interventions and improved prognostics and treatment interventions. Now, so therefore, this course cannot be limited to just genetic professionals, and it has to be extended to non-genetic professionals as well in the healthcare industry. And in the recent years, there have been so many non-genetic professionals healthcare professionals who have shown interest in understanding the underlying reasons for a hereditary disease. Our collaboration with OATN is a step forward in the direction of imparting this knowledge, the genetic knowledge, to professionals who belong to different fields in healthcare. And therefore, we look forward to our continued collaboration with OATN. And we are also looking to reach out to the other fields that are there in healthcare industry for our genetic courses. Integration of different fields in medicine is a very important requisite to understand and manage a disease effectively, and therefore we hope that we get more students. We have more students with us for this course, and we'll be able to look forward to a continued collaboration with OATN on this matter. And all that we can say is together we can make a difference. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Rutra. I now request Ms. Aishwarya, Treasurer of OATN, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Sugirtana. Good evening, all. It is an honor to deliver the vote of thanks on the occasion of the first valedictory function of the certificate course in medical genetics and genetic counseling for optometrists on behalf of the office bearers of OATN, the Optometry Association of Tamil Nadu. First, my thanks to Dr. K. Ravishankar for accepting to be the chief guest for this occasion and honoring this event. Sir, you are the guru for many of the elite school of optometrists, and your kind words today has been inspirational for most of us. And we hope that this course also becomes equally successful like optometry and ESO. Thank you once again, sir, for honoring us this evening. We have heard from many how this course evolved, and I have no qualms in repeating the instrumental role Dr. Krishna Kumar played in initiating this collaborative effort. Thank you, sir. Thank you for bringing your vision to us. And today, this event happened because of your thoughts and your initiative. And yeah, this evening we are celebrating the end of the first session of a course that was exemplarily executed by Dr. GKM and his team at MyGen DX. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dr. GKM and Dr. Utra, for sharing your passion and your knowledge in the course with the optometrists and the participants in the course. Thanks are also due to Mr. Mahalingam of Twintech Academy, who took tireless efforts towards seamless launching of this certificate program. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your continued support towards our profession. It's been a great being associated to you. To the first batch of alumni, for every new thing we need an icebreaker. And this first batch of alumni are trendsetters who showed great faith in OATN and MyGen DX and have grabbed the first opportunity to gain knowledge in this new arena. And I hope this will be put to great effort. This will be put to great use despite the tiring and situations we are facing now. Thank you, first batch of students, and also many congratulations to you for successful completion of the course. Thanks are also due to the past office bearers of OATN, Mr. Singaravelu sir, Mr. Kumaran sir, Mr. Vivekanandan sir, Ms. Punkodai, who provided constructive inputs during the inception of this program. Team OATN also fondly remembers late Sri Madheshwaran sir, who was our former VP. He took part in conceptualization of this course, and in fact, the first session was dedicated in his memory. Thanks to the family members of Madheshwaran sir. And I have to give a special mention to Dr. Utra for the beautiful invocation of Goddess of Wisdom in this beautiful evening, and Ms. Sugitana for conducting this ceremony. And Dr. Rizwana, you have organized one of its kind valedictory event for this special course. Thanks to you as well. Last but not the least, thank you all who have joined us today in this virtual platform to congratulate the first batch of students of the certificate course on genetics and genetic counseling for optometrists. Thank you all, and hope to see you once again in one such event. Thank you.
Sugitna, you can finally wind up the program.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Aishwarya. So I thank our chief guest, our faculty members, and all the participants for joining this program. And congratulations to all the participants for completing this course successfully.
Okay. Thank you, everybody. And sir, thanks, sir, Dr. KR, sir, for being patiently with us.
I wish you all the best in future endeavors.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, John.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How's your back, KK? I saw.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Better, sir. Far better.
Okay, then, Dr. Uttara, Rizwana, Kumar.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Treat கொடுக்கணும்.
Treat. Preeta ready ஆரு கொடுக்கணும்.
சார் நீங்களும் நாங்க சேர்ந்து கொடுக்கலாம் சார்.
எல்லா பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸும் சேர்ந்து கொடுங்க. எல்லாருமே கொடுங்க.
Done.
இந்த கொரோனா வந்து எல்லாத்தையும் ஒரு வழி ஆக்கிடுச்சு. இந்த வீக்ல
அதுவும் வர்ச்சுவலா தான் சார்.
Thank you, sir.
அது ரியலா சார், அதெல்லாம் அது வச்சுக்கிட்டு.
பிரீதா வர்ச்சுவலா தான், கவலைப்படாத.
Thank you, Viji ma'am. Thank you.
நேரே கொடுப்பேன் சார் next meetingல.
Thank you.
So one more announcement.
Thank you so much. It was very nice knowing all of you. Vijayalakshmi madam, ரொம்ப happy to have known you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you,
Preeta. Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Announcement.
Thank you once again.
Sir, thanks to Google also. Thanks to Google Meet.
Question answer session one இருக்கு. அது எல்லாத்தையும் we'll find out your convenient all of you, and then we'll have that one day in which me, Uttara and Sugitna will be there, so that we'll be able to give the right answer. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everybody, and congratulations once again to all, to the entire alumni of the first batch.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank
you so much, sir.
Nandri.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thanks, bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Uttara. Thank you, Sugitna.
Meeting over, right? Log off பண்ணலாம்லையா?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, Preeta.
Yeah, bye. Thanks. ரொம்ப